Hi, welcome to another training session for our 18-volt sanders. My name is Norbert Knapp and this is Dino Oberle, our product expert.
Yes, and also very warm welcome from my side.
Yeah, as I said, 18-volt cordless sander, but Dino, to be honest, from a user perspective, sanding is not only sanding. I think this is more a philosophy. Which product has to be used? Which material has to be prepared? And which sanding paper? And so on and so forth. What is your position? What do you think about it?
Yes, that's right. And our new multifunctional sanders covers a lot of these different applications. So first thing I want to say about our new sanders is that they are very easy to handle because of the new positioning of the battery and the new housing. You see, it's very compact, very lightweight and very easy. And also we have here a new microfilter dust box. So this dust box is very easy to empty and very easy to release from the tool. And also it's very powerful and has also a new adhesive blade so that you can use a lot of different sanding papers.
Wow, Dino, it sounds really promising. Dino, let's have a closer look on all those features of the tools and what is really worth to highlight here explicitly.
Here you have a better adhesive. We improved it so that you not only can use the normal sanding paper, you also can use these sanding nets. You know it perhaps from the professional line.
Okay.
Also you can use it here much more better. And of course here at the edges normally you have the most damages and you don't have to throw away the whole paper now. You can put the paper, turn it and use it again and can use it so 3 times. And I can show you how good this works, especially on edges, corners, also on small surfaces. So for that, of course, we have to protect ourselves. We have to protect our eyes, of course, our ears. And when we are sanding, of course, also we should wear a mask. And here you can see how close we can go to the edges. Also you can work on small surfaces and also you have here the possibility to see how full is the battery, how long you can work with the tool.
Yeah, thanks, Dino. Totally understood. But one question. Which tool for which application? Sanding is not only sanding a surface at the end, it's more about that.
Yeah, that's right. So for multifunctional, of course, it's very good of these edges in these corners you can work in, also on small surfaces. So for small applications, for the basic applications, our new Easy Sander 18V-8 is the perfect tool. If you want to work more or have bigger projects, then I would prefer to take our new Universal Sander 18V-10 because this one has not only a little bit more power, also this one has the possibility to exchange the blade so that you not only can change here the front blade, you also can release the back blade and now use this blade which is in the delivery and have now a bigger surface where you can sand, for example. And this is of course very nice and very easy to use. I will show it to you. Yes, and as you can see, it's not only good for bigger surfaces, you also can use it much more with additional accessories. Perhaps you know the accessory from the Delta Sander. Yeah, like these small sanding blades, for example, and sanding papers. And also you can use it here with this new Universal Sander. That means you can release now this sanding blade, put on the back blade, and now on the front blade you can use all these additional accessories from the Delta Sander, like that one for round surfaces, for example. The small one I showed to you with this small surface blade in the front and also with this bigger surface blade where you can use also the same sanding papers like on the front blade of the multi-sander. And now you can use it also in small areas like this one. And that makes, of course, this new multi-sander much more functional than every other multi-sander.
Dino, 18-volt tools. That means both tools are part of the Power for All Alliance and also member of the battery system from Bosch Home and Garden. But to be honest, as a user, which product with which battery?
As I said, of course, you can use all our 18-volt batteries from the Power for All Alliance. But if you have standard applications, basic applications, like with the Easy Sander, normally it's enough to take the 2.5 ampere hours battery. You know it from our standard drill drivers, impact drill drivers. But if you have bigger projects, want to work longer, then I would prefer to take a battery which has 4 ampere hours or more, so you have a longer runtime. And also our universal sander 18V-10 has the Xenion technology inside. That means you have additional more applications or more runtime than you have it with a normal sander.
Cool. Sounds really good. Dino, many thanks. Let's summarize a bit. We have 2 brand new cordless sander, 18-volt sander, that means part of the Power for All Alliance. Really light, easy to use, and what I would like to highlight is very versatile due to all those applications and attachments. If you now have further questions about the product itself, or about the warranty, or about how to order spare parts, then visit our webpage, bosch-diy.com. Also here you can subscribe to our newsletter. If you are interested in more tutorials with our Dino, then visit us on our YouTube channel and also here subscribe.
Yes, and then I will say goodbye and see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Outtakes.
Well, wow, Dino, very promising. Whoa, whoa, hey, whoa.
Wow,
Hey,
Dino.
yeah, so wow.
4 ampere hours or more for longer rijtime. Longer rijtime.
Wow, Dino, it sounds really...
Yeah, really.
It sounds really...
Really sound. That normally you...
Wow, Dino, it sounds really... Wow, Dino, it sounds really... Sag mal.